Let's talk about 3D printing. It's tech that builds physical objects from a digital file, layer by layer.
So, how does an idea on your screen become something real? Let's dive into that process.
First things first, it all starts in the digital world with a really precise plan.
Yep, this is the blueprint. It's a special file made with design software on a computer.
The software then slices the model into hundreds of thin layers, kind of like a digital stack of paper. Each of these slices tells the printer exactly where it needs to put the material. Okay, our blueprint's ready, so let's take a look at the printer itself and its materials. And this big roll of plastic, that's our filament. You can think of it as the printer's ink. So, how does the printer actually use this plastic? Let's check out the mechanics. Well, this motor here, the extruder, is what pushes that filament right where it needs to go. It feeds it to the hot end, which is basically a super precise robotic hot glue gun. So, we've got melted plastic. How does that become a real object? It's all about building it up. This whole system of rails and motors moves the print head around with incredible accuracy. And it builds the object on this flat surface. It's usually heated to help that first layer stick. So here's the magic. The nozzle lays down the melted plastic, building the object from the ground up. And as each new layer is added, you can literally see the digital design come to life. If you look closely at a finished print, you can see those tiny layers. It's a signature look. And there you have it. We've gone from a simple digital file all the way to a real object. What started as just an idea is now something solid you can actually hold in your hand. So, to recap, design a model, slice it into layers, melt some plastic, and build it up. This technology really puts the power to create in your hands. So, what will you make?